It's a risk that we are all facing in the internet. The walled gardens have made it very easy and efficient to transact against audiences at scale. And this is where it is really encouraging to see the industry banding together at this point in time. We've seen initiatives like IAB REARC and a number of others that are looking to collectively, as an industry group, address this monumental change that's going to happen in 2022, if not sooner. So, there is a risk, but I think it's up to us to take advantage of the incredible opportunity that we're presented with. We have a way to reinvent our industry and again, bringing the user back to the center of everything that we are striving to achieve, and making sure that there's consent at its heart. If we can achieve that, we will start to see, the industry reap the rewards of those changes.
So walled gardens are definitely expected to grow the revenue. They already have lots of deterministic user and audiences who are actively logged in. Though we need to understand there's a difference, right? So for example, Facebook is all user-generated content, not unlike the premium publisher content that really catches the user attention and builds the right experience. Also, for example, Google, on the other hand, is already pushing the sandbox, right, to bring advertisers and publishers together to be the first one here. Though we need to always realize it's always about the network effect, and programmatic has a huge capability and potential. It's just the right players need to jump in and build the right framework for the first-party data strategy. There are already many positive initiatives coming from TTD, ID5, and even CDPs who can be the technology enabler for these frameworks. So I expect an initial budget shift to walled gardens, though it would change with time when the programmatic framework is ready and has scalability.
Yes, it does favor the walled gardens, and advertisers will continue to seek out partners that can confidently prove the quality of their data for targeted advertising. For publishers, I think this should be an opportunity to rethink their first-party data strategy and to start looking into building their own persistent IDs through authenticated logins. While they may not reach the same scale, publishers can still prove the value of their data by understanding who their readers are, why they engage with their content, and then use those insights to help their advertisers connect with their valuable and engaged audience.